better back up. Try and play the role and yet a whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up. If you got the feeling, then jump across the ceiling. Muggs is a funk fest, someone's talking junk. Yo, I bust them in the eye, and then I'll take the punks home. Feel it? Funkin', amps in the junkin'. I got more rhymes than this cops at a Dunkin' Donut shop. Show enough, I got props from the kids on the hill, plus my mom and my pops. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seats and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump, 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 I'll shove your ass like John McEnroe. If your girl steps up, I'm smacking her. Word to your mom, I came to drop bombs. I got more rhymes than the Bible's got songs. And just like the prodigal son, I've returned. Anyone stepping to me, you'll get burned. Cause I got lyrics, and you ain't got none. So if you come to battle, bring a shotgun. But if you do, you're a fool, cause I duel to the death. Try and step to me, you take your last breath. I got the skill, so come get your fill. Cause when I shoot to get, I shoot to kill. Came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seats and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump, 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 I'm the cream of the crop. I rise to the top. I never eat up, cause I is the copper, but yeah, the Terminator. Like Arnold Schwarzenegger, trying to play me out like as if my name was Sega. But I ain't going out like no pom-pom. Get used to one side, and yo, I just might switch it up and around. Then buck, get down and put your head in, then you wake up in the dawn of the dead. I'm coming to get ya, I'm coming to get ya. Spitting out lyrics, homie, I'll wet ya. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump.